Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Happy Memes. So as you know, today is Style Saturday. So what do I have for you? A little well, it's not a little, it's a big, because it's a big box. But I do have an unboxing here for you today. And yeah, I bought some new kicks. If you don't know, a whole bunch of sales are going on right now. Spring and summer, and all the sites are trying to get rid of all that stuff to push in with the fall, because as you know, we're gonna be in fall. So yeah, I know I mostly get my luxury like shoes from like an Italian boutique website, because the sales are much better and it's much cheaper. All of the major like luxury department stores are having sales right now. But yeah, let me get right into this video. The place was called, it was called Daniello. Yeah, Daniello. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Daniello, is it Daniello? It was an Italian boutique.
A lot of Italian boutiques, they're like, not even open yet, it just came today.
This still got more. Okay, we finally got it open, and it comes in a Farfetch box, which is weird because I didn't buy it from Farfetch. If you know who Farfetch is, that's like also, I don't know where it's based. I think it's based in Italy. But it comes with their little receipt. I paid $3.97 for these. It was $4.41. It was on sale. Retail I think was $800. It was on sale for $4.41. And then I got an extra 10% off for me being a first customer. Yeah, I know. I love me a good sale. Like, I really do. Like, you always find a good sale online. Packaging, it comes in like this big old, nice, thick plastic bag. And yeah, I know. Summertime fine. Summertime has the little Prada thing. And let's see how these look. Let's see. I mean, hopefully they're not too. These are size 8. Alright? I wear a size 9, and I was told to go a full size down. So we will see how these fit. Oh man. Guys, they're really gorgeous. They really are. This is my first time looking at them, so I'm really like examining it. The only thing is, like, it's no kind of leather on it. It's all technical like fabric, and it's retails for $800. So for no leather and $800, of course I ain't pay that, but yeah. Yeah, these are cute. These are cute. I'm about to try them on. There's a little Prada sign on the back, the front. Let me take them out because I know y'all want to see them. See them up close, and I really like them. They remind me, I don't have them, but I have these camper shoes, but they're leather. The camper shoes that I have, they remind me, they're called Dove, and like the sole looks just like this. I paid 100 and like something for those camper shoes. I had them for like 4 years now, like really long time. But yeah, these are very, they look like good quality. I mean of course they better be. It has the Prada at the back. It has some good stitching, and that's about it. Just a real quick video. I'm gonna try them on. I'll do another like on feet review or something, and let you guys know how it fits on my feet. And yes, like I said, go a full size down, not even a half, a full size down. I was recommended to go a full size down, and so I did. These are a size 8, and they still look a little like, this looks like a big 8. But that's about it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Happy memes.